Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing with you like a quick update on my sticker collection because I did do like a detailed sticker storage and collection video, which I will link on the screen right now and also down in the description bar. And I've changed it just a tiny bit, but not a lot. So as you can remember, maybe I had two of these mini accordion files, which just look like this, and I store my stickers in here. I categorize them by function or like what they are, type, both like type and function. And I felt like I needed another one because I have a very growing collection of character stickers. So I decided to add in another one, which happens to be pink, which is like my activity folder. So I have character samplers, I have samplers of just like random activities. I have lazy day, I have family time, date night, script stickers, social media, workout, travel, meals, birthdays. So I kind of get the gist. And then I have one that is this one. I need to like code them. I have one that is purely functional, so purely like checklist headers, half boxes, glitter headers, monthly stuff. And then the middle blue one, well, it's not really, I don't really do it that way. But this has like icons, canceled, rescheduled, sidebar stuff, date dots, flags, holiday stuff, and deco. So like the mix in between. It's both functional but also pretty, like icons and stuff. So I'm happy about that. In here, this is not supposed to be here. In here I keep all of my stickers that kind of don't have a home right now. So glitter headers, some washi strips, the baby countdowns, or like, yeah. Stuff that doesn't really have a home, I store in here, and also things that are too big to cut up. Like I can't cut them up to fit in the accordion files. So away we go with that, and we introduce my new kit binder. It's not a binder, it's like a book. What do you call it? Plastic pocket book. I don't know. I got this off of AliExpress. I also got the accordion files off of there, so I can link them. And if you're shopping online on AliExpress, Etsy or anything, I highly recommend using EBATES, which has saved me a lot of money because you get like a percentage back from your shopping experience. So I have all my kits in here, and I have a lot more kits coming to me, so this will be very full really soon. But I have this kit that I'm about to use. I've actually pre-planned it, but I'm not using it right now, so it's in here, you know. I don't really do like the date type of things, but I like the idea of that, so I might do it. But I kind of categorize it in like how I might use them, but not really. I have like a spring kit from Harriet Wright Design. I have a Friends kit from Pretty on Paper Co. I have Sticky Essentials, Disney. I have Sticky Essentials, the Cozy Home one. I have just the single sheet of Mother's Day kisses, which I'm going to like build a kit around with leftover stickers. So I decided to keep it in here just so I kind of know I need to build a kit around this. I have a baby kit. I was going to use this for my son's 1-year birthday, but it came too late. So I don't know when I'm gonna use this. Maybe if I have another baby one day, I don't know. And then I have a notes page kit, and this comes with a lot. What happened here? This comes with a lot. I think it's like 20 pockets. So I have been really liking this. I don't know. It's just really, really simple, really easy to maintain. I just really recommend using something like this that is really simple. It was really, really cheap, and I will link it down below. So that is all for my sticker collection video. Nothing too crazy, just a little update showing you how I'm doing it right now. I figure if somebody needs tips, maybe you can get some ideas from here. And I will talk to you in my next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more planner videos, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!